My name is Holly. I have mitochondrial depletion syndrome. My daughter has it as well, OPA1. It is a very rare disease that kills the cells in the body. It's comparable to ALS and Lou Gehrig's disease with body pain. We were experiencing a poor quality of life, a lot of body pain. It's a disease that doesn't have a cure, and there's not a whole lot of ways to fix the disease or help the disease except with medications that make you feel bad. So we had pursued the stem cells because with research, they rebuild the cells, and we were trying to find a different way to be able to fight the disease and hopefully get a better quality of life and more longevity of life, so that we were not just medicating, which has a lot of negative side effects on the body, the brain, the organs. From what we had read with the cells rebuilding, it would give us the opportunity for the bad cells to be rebuilt to hopefully have less fatigue, less body pain. We had read that it could also help with vision, headaches. So our hope was to have a better quality of life. We did quite a bit of research online, reading reviews, places that offered the quantity and the viability of the cells, and that's what led us to Giostar, was everything that we had read and researched, the quality of the facility and the treatment. We actually did, and we actually tried stem cells in the States. This is my daughter's 4th treatment here, and this is my 2nd. So after the first treatments, we actually tried a clinic that was in the States, and we both tried it, I was glad that we had came here first, because what we got from it here on her first treatment was, in the States, it did nothing. We had no results from it. Where here, when she came back, she has breathing issues, and her energy was up, her skin color was up, her breathing was better. When we tried it in the States, because we were trying to not have to travel easier, it just made her sick, and it didn't do anything to help. So it was essentially a waste of money and time, and it made her feel worse, which I found to be very odd. During the process, it consists of IV nutrients, which help prep the body, and then the stem cells and exosomes. During the treatment, a little tired, can definitely tell you're getting treatment, but you don't feel terrible, just tired. You want to sleep, rest. But the doctor is very good taking care of if you don't feel good or if the headache. Staff, we've been able to call if we needed something even after hours, and somebody's been available to take care of us, which has been amazing, or to help us kind of know what to do to help us feel better. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Like I said, this is our fourth time here. This is my 2nd time getting treatment here. It's been the same staff the whole time, which has been amazing. Even when we were scheduling treatment, everybody is very quick to respond and answer questions that you have. But everybody's been absolutely wonderful, and it's nice to see the same face every time we come. Exceptional. It's been amazing. We tell everybody how wonderful everybody is here. The first time we got the treatment, and even after about a week to 2 weeks after the treatment, you can start seeing improvement. I have a lot of vision issues. There's a lot of body pain from the disease. You can tell even a difference in your skin color. Your skin looks healthier. The body pain is less. We have more energy, less fatigue, less body pain. And you feel overall just better. and it's a continual improvement. It's not something that just hits and then it stops. You just constantly see an improvement in it. With our disease, it's degenerative, where the cells are dying. So that's the reason why we come back. It's improved drastically. That's the reason why we continue to come back. With our disease, the way that the cells die, it doesn't last forever for us. But we're already scheduling our next trip to come back, because for us, we come back about every 4 to 5 months, because we can tell when the cells are starting to deplete, to die. But it's just part of our disease. That's why there is no cure. But even my doctors and my daughter's doctors, they were very much against us coming. They were not for the cells at all. The life expectancy of our disease is not, it's generally 3 to 7 years. But the doctors say that they, in the States, said that they have noticed that we're not deteriorating as quickly as most do. And so now they're very much for the stem cells. They're very excited for us to be able to come, because they say that they can tell that they're actually working and it's not anything they've ever seen before. And especially with my daughter being 17, as a mom, that has been huge to be able to, when we first started coming, she could barely get out of bed. And this last month, she was able to go to a school activity, and she's been able to go do things with her friends. And that has all been because we come and get the stem cell treatment. So that's absolutely amazing. I would, for anyone that has something comparable to us, it is costly to come, but it's also a quality of life. It's a longevity of life. Being someone that did try somewhere else after coming here to try to save money, to try to save travel, I would recommend coming here before I wouldn't go anywhere else.